What has been Moscow's response to the recent heavy drone strikes by Ukraine? The answer reveals a mix of military, political, and propaganda moves you won't expect. In response to Ukraine's heavy drone strikes, Moscow rapidly boosted its air defense systems in key cities and military bases. The Russian military deployed additional Pantsir and S-400 missile systems to intercept incoming drones. Moreover, Moscow carried out targeted missile strikes on Ukrainian infrastructure and drone launch sites, aiming to disrupt further attacks. This military escalation signals Moscow's intent to both defend its territory aggressively and retaliate to degrade Ukraine's drone capabilities. Politically, Moscow portrayed the drone strikes as acts of terrorism targeting civilians and critical infrastructure. Russian officials used this narrative to justify harsher security laws and intensified military efforts. State media amplified this message, aiming to unify the public behind the government's response and to delegitimize Ukraine's military tactics. This propaganda approach seeks to maintain internal stability amid ongoing conflict pressures. On the diplomatic front, Moscow accused NATO and Western countries of enabling Ukraine's drone attacks through military aid and intelligence support. Russia demanded that international bodies condemn Ukraine's tactics and called for sanctions or restrictions on arms supplies. This stance highlights Moscow's efforts to shift blame externally and seek global political support amid escalating hostilities. Moscow's response to Ukraine's drone strikes combines military retaliation, political messaging, and diplomatic pressure. This multi-layered approach aims to protect its interests and influence global opinion. For more surprising insights into current events and daily curious questions, hit subscribe and join us for your next deep dive.